Hey, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick video over to you guys outlining the opportunities you have and how you can generate leads for your business. So you guys offer a lot of different services, obviously. I'm just going to focus on roofing for you guys for today, but these same basic principles as far as how you would go about doing the research on the competition and outranking your competition to generate the leads is going to be the same across all the different services you guys offer. Everything I was looking at was very difficult for the Denver area, so I started getting into some of the suburbs, and I found a lot of opportunity for you guys. We could get a lot of leads headed your way. So as far as generating leads for your business, we have two different ways that we can do it. The first one is what's known as a lead generation website. And that's where we're able to just supply leads for your business. There's a couple different ways we structure those deals. One of them is with an upfront cost, and then it's a percentage off of closed leads only. So if we send you a lead from our website and you close that deal, it's a percentage of that deal off the top. The other way we do these is a setup fee, so that's still that setup fee or that startup fee, and then it's just a flat monthly rate. So you're getting unlimited leads, no quantity or no quantity cap on those. Those are exclusive to your business, so you're not fighting for any other or with any other companies for those leads, and we're able to generate leads for you that way. The other way we're able to do this for you guys is by actually helping you get websites put up for your business and getting those websites ranked and generating leads, and doing that through obviously getting the website and then monthly SEO to get that website ranked and get that generating leads for your company. So just to kind of dive into this, we're going to be looking at a website I just recently completed for a roofing company out of Florida. The reason why I wanted to show you guys this is just because whether you guys go with a lead generation site or a website for your business, it's personalized to your company, there's some key factors you really want to keep in mind for getting this website to not only rank and generate leads, but also convert customers or clicks into customers. So looking at the website, first thing, click to call buttons are going to be very important. People are doing mobile search very often these days, so it'll allow them to be able to just click on this phone number. You can see it here as well, and automatically connect with your business is going to really help with your guys' conversions. Another thing is going to be content. So there's over 200 different ranking factors that Google looks at for determining which website's going to be in that top spot, and that's where you guys want to be, because that top spot gets about 33% of the search traffic for these search terms I'm going to be showing you guys. So being in that top spot, there's 200 different ranking factors, and the biggest one we can influence is content. So looking at competition, across every niche, generally about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content is what we shoot for. We really just want to beat your competition out in every way possible, but generally that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content is what it takes to get you guys in that top spot and generating the search traffic you need to be successful in generating leads. Then the last thing is contact forms. I always like to have a contact form up here near the top of the home page. We also have a contact form here as well. What this allows you guys to do is to have that information easily accessible to potential customers, because really they're looking for whatever business they can get a hold of the fastest. They can get out there and give them a quote. So by having that contact form there, it allows them to get that information in without having to search around your website for how to do that. So looking at keywords for your business, found a couple really good ones. These are not, this isn't the only list we can go off of. This is just what I found in a short amount of time. So Colorado commercial roofing is getting 150 searches per month and has relatively low difficulty for that search term. So we can definitely get you guys ranked for that, in a short amount of time. Littleton Roofer, 150 searches per month. Lakewood Roofing, 150 searches per month. So if you were to target just these three search terms on your website, you were to be in the top spot for these three search terms, you could have 150 people per month headed to your website looking for the services you offer. So there's a lot of opportunity there for you guys to generate a lot of search traffic for your company. So first off, we're going to be looking at Lakewood Roofing. And again, everything I'm going to be showing you as far as diving into the competition and what we look at is the same for all the different search terms as far as how we go about doing that research. So looking at Lakewood Roofing, first thing we see here is Google paid ads. So this is the Google guarantee. This came out within the last year or two. And this is saying San Clemente because that's where I'm out of right now in San Clemente, California. But this is, this is something they launched just in the last 2 years. It's definitely a way you can generate leads, but 99% of the time people are passing this up and going right down here to the GMB or 3-pack. So first step for you guys' business that would really set you guys up is getting that GMB built for your business. After you get that GMB built, getting it into this 3-pack, there's a couple different things we would look at there in order to do that. So the first one is what's known as citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some great citation sources you could find would be like Yelp, Yellow Book has the free listings you can do, Better Business Bureau, even your Facebook page can count as a citation if you list that business name, address, and phone number. The more citations you have, the more likely you are to be in this 3-pack. Sometimes that's just not enough though. And so what we really want to do is target what your competition has. We actually have tools that allow us to see how many citations your competition has. And then we go out there and we do 50 more or 100 more than what your competition has because we want to blow them out of the water in every way possible. The last factor for how you get your business into this is your organic rankings. So where your business sits organically in their search results also plays a lot of weight in if you're going to be in this top 3. So looking at the organic search results, I don't really include Yelp or Thumbtack in these because they are in direct competition with Google and their paid ads like we saw up here because people are paying for leads from these large national websites. So we're going to head down here to Cougar Roofing Pros and look at what they have going on with their website. So looking at their website, it looks nice, but there's not a lot of content on here. So you guys could definitely beat them out with that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. Very doable. Looking at the back end of their site and what we have going on there. So the whole internet is built on what's called backlinks. And it's one business linking itself to another business, one website linking itself to another website. And what you guys really want to go after for your business, whether that be for your lead generation site or for your own website, is relevant backlinks to your niche. So if you guys were to go out and get a backlink from a roofing company out of California where I'm based out of, that's going to carry a lot more weight and look a lot better to Google and help you move up the rankings a lot faster than if you guys were to get a backlink from your local Pizza Hut because you guys aren't slinging pizzas. So you really want to go after those relevant backlinks for your business. So again, just to kind of summarize everything, you have 2 different options. We could either do a lead generation site or a website for your business and help you generate leads either way. Looking at keywords, there's definitely a lot of opportunity there. I know commercial roofing projects can get very, very, very high ticket. So a lot of opportunity there. You could have 50 leads a month coming in for your business just for commercial roofing, which would be fantastic for you guys. Looking at, the other smaller areas and, the other services you guys offer, is definitely something I could do if you guys want that other information. Looking at the website, you really want to make sure you have that content on your website that's going to really help you rank. As you get into the Google search, you really want to make sure you get those citations up for your business to get you in these top 3. And then that's it. 150 searches per month headed to your business that are ready for your services you guys are offering. And that's just for roofing. If you guys have any questions on this, definitely reach out. I look forward to talking to you guys more. Thank you.